Paano nakakatulong ang pagiging ASEAN CPA sa mga Pilipinong accountant sa pagkuha ng opportunities sa ibang bansa sa Southeast Asia?
Well, to be honest, lahat na halos ng mga CPAs natin, professional in that sense, gusto talaga mag-ibang bansa. Pero I think it's in our bloodline. Kahit ako nag-US din ako, nag-work ako. We want to travel in order for us to earn more and then bring it back here. That's why yung OFW, sila yung mga tinatawag nga natin bagong bayani. So in this sense, yung ASEAN CPA mo, as a chartered CPA nga natin dito sa ASEAN, you can actually work there or make your own business in order for you to generate more revenues using and applying yung natutunan mo na dito without undergoing additional tests, examination, or even getting additional na mga diploma for you to acquire and be able to work dun sa mga ASEAN countries na.
Sir, follow-up question lang dun, sir. Pwede ba tayong mag-open ka ng isang office dun sa, for example, Thailand or sa Hong Kong? Pwede ka mag-open ng negosyo mo as accounting firm? Pwede ba yun?
Actually, it is allowed, but you need to actually have what we call an affiliation with a local na CPA doon or chartered accountant. So what happens is that you need to go to the International Affairs Office of the PRC and then find out sino yung mga list din ng mga ASEAN CPA sa country na gusto mo magnegosyo or you want to open your firm. No, what will happen is they will be connecting you and then you will be able to discuss things and then they can open up maybe a business there or a firm or shop. No, so normally ang mga may ganyan na mga setup is yung mga countries sa ASEAN na walang masyadong CPA.